Hi, I'm Upasana Khosla. In today's video, I will take you to few top places in Pelling and will share why you should not visit Pelling. So be with me till the end. सिक्किम में ये पहली जगह देखी जहां मोमोज की जगह पिज़्ज़ास बन रहे थे और वो भी देसी भट्टे पर। I'm at Kichupalri village and today is my last day in Sikkim. Tomorrow I will be leaving for Darjeeling. Today is my Sikkim travel ka the end. Bye. मेरे गैंगटॉक, लाचुन के वीडियोस में यू मस्ट हैव सीन सिक्किम में जगह जगह देर आर दीज कलरफुल फ्लैग्स. दीज आर प्रेयर फ्लैग्स ऑफ 5 colors, each color representing the 5 elements that we are made of. Blue is for sky, white is air, red is for fire, green is water element and yellow is for earth. Together these colors create balance. All cures in Ayurveda, naturopathy, yoga are based on the balance of these 5 elements. I am at Kichupalri Lake in Pelling. It is said to be a wish-fulfilling lake with curative properties. This sacred lake is a must-visit to experience inner peace. I made a wish. पूरी होने पर आपको जरूर बताऊंगी. कीचोपल्री लेक का रास्ता एक फॉरेस्ट में से गुजरता है. लॉन्ग वॉक का अच्छा मजा ले सकते हो.
So walking through the forest.
देख लो, इस फॉरेस्ट में निडर चल रही हूँ. एक हैप्पी वाली फीलिंग आ रही है इस फॉरेस्ट में. रास्ते में दिखा ये महाशय.
I wanted to ride the cycle, but he's not giving me. Let me go for here today, no?
Not mine.
So on. I'm not taking it. Come. One small ride.
अरे अरे चला गया. कोई गल नहीं.
Hello. So these are tourist friends.
Hi.
So we are at Kichupalri Lake. Yes.
It looks like our government is making efforts to make the place easily accessible for tourists.
Yesterday when I went to वो जगह का नाम क्या था जो वो टेम्पल गई थी बुद्धा का? Sandukche. So there was a place called Sandukche where there was a life-size statue of Buddha, and I connected very well with that place because the teachings of Buddha have always inspired me. You know, the fourfold truths.
Buddha believed that there is suffering in the world. There is a reason for this suffering. There is a path to end suffering, and it is this path that the world is seeking. You know, through prayer, meditation, yoga. This is the world's tallest statue of Guru Padmasambhav, the patron saint of Sikkim, and I am at Sandukche Monastery in Namche. आप कभी सिक्किम आए तो सिक्किम के नेचुरल ब्यूटी के साथ यहाँ के कल्चर से खूब प्रभावित होंगे. I've got a very pious feeling out here. The language of prayer is one. I'm now at my last stop today.
कितना?
20 rupees.
Okay, so I'm going to buy the ticket now and go to Kanchenjunga Waterfalls.
Sri Anand Yog Dham is a yoga and lifestyle channel. Traveling is the best way to unwind, as you not only get to see a different place, but also a different lifestyle. Please support my channel to grow. Subscribe, like, comment, share.
Thank you, God bless you. So I met this amazing person. अभी मैं धीरे-धीरे आपके जैसे दिखने लगी. मेरा चेहरा सब गोल-गोल होते.
The Kanchenjunga waterfall is one of the main tourist attractions in Pelling, which originates from the glaciers at Mount Kanchenjunga, from where it gets its name. If you are looking for some fast, about to die adventure, then Pelling is not the place for you. Don't visit it. Visit Pelling only if you are a nature lover and want some serenity and quality time to yourself. Tomorrow I will leave Sikkim to go to Darjeeling. And with Pelling Part 2, I end my 5th video on my travel to Sikkim. Do watch my other Sikkim tour videos, the links are in the description.